Hey everybody, Marion the Barbarian here. Just got out of the shower, had a good day at work. So, we are going to use Sebum Latte. I don't know if this is a sample or what, but I bought a lot off Wet Shaving Enablers a while back, and it was like 90 bucks, and I got like 12 soaps and a couple of splashes, and this is one of them. So, it's not my thing. I'm not into the scent. As you can see, there's probably like 2-3 shaves left in this thing. It's just not a scent for me. I've asked a bunch of people like, hey, does anybody want this? You know, and everybody's like, no, because even if I like it, I don't want to pay that much for it, so I don't want to have to like it. Which I get, so it's okay. So we're using my Shore Shave with the Motherlode knot. Very soft, floppy knot for those of you that do not know. But worried about watering this down. Probably could have added a little bit more water because the razor I'm using can clog easily. And we're just dealing with not even 24 hours worth of growth. All right. Using the Focus Dynamic R48. The red one, it's aluminum. It's really just a quick shave for me. Yeah, some people don't like the clicking. I loaned to Jeremy Tyler. If you've been around for a while, I've used this a couple of times on my channel. Yeah, as for the scent, it's just a nutty smell to me. There we go. Like I said, not the most efficient razor, definitely no blade feel, virtually no blade gap. Takes a half a DE. You want to look at it again, like look at that blade gap, there's nothing. It's non-existent. I don't think I've ever used it with a goatee. So there we go. So yeah, I mean, plenty of slickness. I use probably 3 times as much as I would use of like Sterling or First Line Shave or A&E. Things like that. Or even Maddie's. Maddie's just explodes. You don't need a lot of soap when you're using Maddie's soap. So for you budget conscious people, you know, worried about fair market value and all that jazz, Maddie's soap goes a long way. Nice. This actually isn't a bad lather. What do y'all think? There's a little bit of bubbles, but all in all, pretty decent lather, right? All right. Oh yeah. I turned my music down, so because shower jams, you know, I gotta shower and have jams. But I turned it down. For those that don't like music and videos. A lot of pressure with this razor. It's right up David Gonzalez's alley for a razor. You know, he likes razors that pivot. He doesn't like those traditional looking ones as much. I think we're going to do pickups. trying to feel around where it could use it. So what we're gonna do is through here. Wow, that's slick. We're chasing a little bit of BBS. There we go. Now that feels beautiful. All right, guys, we'll be right back. Gonna rinse up. Talk about the aftershave because I like my splash. All right, guys, we are back. Shore shave brush. I do enjoy this one. Motherlode knot. I only got it because it matched. I'm gonna have to rinse it again because there's still some soap down in there. Yep, little crunchy sound. Softest knot ever, but zero backbone, you know? So, I do like it though. Sebum Latte. Just got a nutty scent. Great lather. Did everything it was supposed to do. Focus Dynamic R48 in red, 100% aluminum, really cool. Takes a half a DE blade. Show y'all how that works. You'll see the pins back there. So just take it, boom. Just kind of sticks on there. Take the DE blade out. We'll just go ahead and trash it. And there we go, and I'll set it off to the side to dry. Now we're going to use our Obsession for Men. Liberally, we're going to use a ton of it. I like it. It's got staying power for aftershave too. Oh yeah. Burns so nice. So guys, that Focus Dynamic R48, I know it's not for everybody. It's counterintuitive. It's bad habits for people that want to use a DE. You have to apply a lot of pressure. You put pressure at the top and it pushes in. It's great for someone starting out. Like me, I could knock out shaves really fast with palm olive and cheap ass brush and that razor in the morning when I was just trying to get out the door. And, you know, really nice shaves. Pretty good shave in my opinion. All right. Obsession, good stuff. Motherlode knot and a shore shave. Sebum Latte, and we're going to get back to it. We're going to talk about that Focus Dynamic R48 again. And actually, I used a half a Rockwell, guys, because I'm trying to go through blades, you know. It's just an aluminum head. Cool. Really easy. They say to break your blades and don't use the pre-cut ones because it needs that little springiness. I don't know. I think Jeffrey Smith just uses pre-cut blades and everything works fine for him. So, all right, guys. That's a good shave. And see some of y'all at the Canadian Mafia show tonight. Catch y'all later.